Namaste. Let's begin this mindfulness present meditation. Take a moment to find a comfortable seat, any seat of your choice. Sit with your hands resting gently on your knees. Place the tops of the hands on the knees with the palms facing the sky. Close your eyes with your back nice and straight. Try to be still in the body and in the mind. Taking 3 deep breaths together. Nice and slow through the nose. Allow any weight of your body to drop by allowing your shoulders to hang heavy. Bring your breath to a natural rhythm. Don't force, just be. Become aware of the present moment, listening to any sounds that you may hear around you. And if a thought creeps into your mind, allow it to be, and then allow it to go. Focusing on the inhale and on the exhale. Letting go of your day ahead and letting go of the past. Staying just in this moment right now. We'll take 1 minute of silence before we close off our mindful 5-minute meditation. Just breathe. If your mind has drifted, just come back to the breath. You can stay in this position, breathing, being present for as long as you would like to. Or you can end with me by deepening the breath. And very slowly bat the eyes open. Take a moment to just look at one spot before you get up and continue your day. Just take a moment to become aware of your surroundings. Namaste.